Hello and welcome. My name is Kelly Kessler, and I will be your guide throughout this entire course. Now, before we get started, I want to take a moment to congratulate you on committing to investing time and energy in yourself. I am so excited for you to dive into this course because I know by the end of it, you are going to feel a release of the tension that you've probably been carrying for maybe weeks, years, or even decades. The reason I created this course is because I struggled with chronic back pain for years. I did so many things to try to achieve long-lasting relief, but felt like I was always coming up short. I would feel good for a short term, but everything seemed to come back until I engaged in what you are about to embark on, pandiculation exercises. This literally was the door that opened up my body to release the tension I had been holding for years and feel a sense of freedom in my body again. The thing is that I didn't realize that I was trying to force my body into positions that it didn't innately feel safe going into because I had carried this tension for so long and experienced stress for so long that my body was literally holding on to those emotions. I didn't even realize that until I started honoring myself, treating myself with compassion, slowing down, and teaching my nervous system how to relax from the inside out. And that is exactly what you're going to get in this course, an inner release, learning and teaching how you can let go of the tension, let go of everything you've been holding on to, all the pressures, to feel a sense of freedom within your body again. I am so glad you're here, and I'm so honored to guide you through this journey.